Hey everybody, it's Joe Baker, and today's tip and trick for Blueleaf is going to be about performance of your accounts. So once you log on, the first thing you want to do is click on Performance header, and then you can see here if you had more than one account, obviously all the accounts would be listed here unless you clicked on a specific account on the side. So usually you're going to have all accounts. So what you're going to see here when it comes up automatically is performance and the gain and if there's any loss. And the one I always like to use, because it's just a basic year to date one, is hit the custom and make sure you hit year to date. And that'll give you what it's done so far during the year. Of course, you have 7-day, 1 month, 3 month, and a year you can look at, and you can create any custom range as well using the custom tab. But it's important to note net deposit withdrawals. So when you put money in or take money out, that doesn't count as far as performance goes. That's showing what's going in or what's coming out, but performance is based on how the investments do within your account. So don't think that if you put in, in this instance, $3,000, that's going to add to the gain of the account. It won't. So just to make sure you're clear on that. But this is a good way to just track how your investments are doing overall and give you a good idea of what kind of gains you're getting and as far as how well it is for you to meet your goals with that. But other than that, that's pretty simple. If you have any other questions on this or anything else on Blueleaf, feel free to shoot me an email or give me a call. Otherwise, we'll talk to you next time. Take care.